How to fix the black screen in Parsec. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up Parsec and then go to the settings. And if you're using any virtual screen, you want to basically disable that by going to the host tab, scroll down till you find the virtual display and make sure this is turned off. And you should also scroll a little bit down till you find the display in the settings and make sure to select the main display that you're trying to use from here. And the next thing you'll need to do is trying to set a standard resolution and refresh rate. So in the same host tab, you want to scroll to the resolution and then set it to 920 by 1080, and also set the frame rate to 60. If you scroll down, you should find the frame rate right here and set it to 60. And what you can do as well is check if you have the latest GPU updates. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you might need to download and install the NVIDIA app, and then use the NVIDIA app to basically check for the available driver updates and download and install the latest ones available. And once you do that, make sure to close any software that might be conflicting with the Parsec, such as OBS Studio or the NVIDIA Shadowplay, AnyDesk, or MSI Afterburner if you have any of those running. You can see them in the taskbar here, or you can open up the Task Manager and look for them here and right-click and end them. And after you do that, you will need to restart Parsec as admin. So it is already running, close it from here and quit the application. And then you will need to restart Parsec, right click on Parsec and run as admin. And now you should be able to use it again, and it should fix the black screen issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.